this video we're going to learn how simple it is to transfer weighing data from an MSTS balance to a Windows PC using the PC Direct application. This will enable us to transfer simple weighing data directly into a Windows application. In this case we're going to use Microsoft Excel, but it could be almost any Windows app. What you'll need is a balance with a USB interface, a PC with Microsoft Windows 32 or 64-bit, Windows 7, 8 or 10. You'll also need administrator rights to install the software and a USB connecting cable to link the PC to the balance. Now, we only need to install a USB driver which can be downloaded easily and for free from our website. So we start by going to mt.com and then typing in the suffix labweighing-software-download. We choose the USB driver for advanced and standard level laboratory balances in this case, and it's highlighted here. Then we click on the link to save the zip file on our PC, extract it, and then execute it. Important to note is that you should install this driver on your PC before connecting to the balance. Indeed, if you connect the balance to the PC and then install this driver, it will automatically install the wrong driver. Once the driver is installed, but before connecting to the balance, we're going to make some configurations. We go to Settings, we go to General Configuration and Data, Devices and Services, we select PC Direct and we confirm, and we tap USB device and confirm, and then tap Publishing. Tap PC Direct, USB device, tap Send Data, and select the transmission mode for single values and result values, and this would typically be manual stable, and then confirm. Return to the previous screen. Now we are ready to connect the balance to the PC. We place the sample on the weighing pan, and every time we press the print button on the terminal, the next stable weight will be sent to the cursor position of your chosen application.